Hey, what's up everyone? In today's guide video, I'm gonna teach you how you can reset the password of your Netflix account. If you have forgotten the password to your Netflix account, then you can easily retrieve it by following the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So if you want to know how you can reset the password, watch this video till the end. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this every day. So let's get straight to the video. Now firstly, open up a browser, then in the search bar type in Netflix. As soon as you do that, you can see the official website of Netflix. Now you can see a sign in button on the top right corner. Click on it. Then a sign in tab to Netflix will open. Now what you'll need to do is click on the need help option. You can either reset your password through your email address or your mobile number. To reset the password through your email address, enter in your email address here. Then after you're done, you can click on the email me option. But if you want to reset the password using your mobile number, you can go to text message, then enter in your mobile number. Then after you're done, click on text me. Now what this will do is it will send a verification code either to your email address or your mobile number depending on which you choose. Then after you do that, you will be directed to a next page from where you can enter the verification code and you will be able to create a new password and reset the password of your Netflix account. But if you don't remember your email address or your phone number, you can simply click on this option and retrieve your email or mobile number from here. So those were the few easy steps to reset the password of your Netflix account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And that's it for this video, and we'll be soon back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.